All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Management Science. My name is Mustafa, and I'm going to be the instructor of this course, Management Science. So we have a couple of things to do. I have a list in here. We need to, first of all, I need to explain how this course works. And then I talk about the course syllabus. I talk about the grades and everything, assignments. I'll let you know what to do and for assignments and how that works. I have some email policies and general policies, and I'll tell you what to do, and we're going to discuss on this. So first of all, as I have said, as you have seen it in my email, this course is asynchronous. So that means we're not going to have a live meeting. We just basically we will be connected to each other. We can communicate to each other by emails mostly, and the things that I post, the videos that I post, and you can just ask me everything that works. You can ask me for office hours if you like, but we're gonna discuss on that later. So first of all, asynchronous course. So this is asynchronous, and that means every week I post things. I record a lecture and I post there. I upload all the documents that you need. Sometimes you have an assignment to do. Sometimes you have a quiz, maybe exam, final exam, midterm. And that would be your responsibility to check the course, to check the portal, and do whatever you need to do. So first of all, see all these videos that I post, read all the documents. So check them all, do your practice, send me emails if you need help. And just everything works based on weekly assignments, weekly lectures. So this is your responsibility to just check the portal like at least 2 times a week. So please don't ignore. You need to catch up and see what's the new things. Please check your emails. I try to send you emails every time I post things in here. I upload things, but I can tell you, as I said in emails, I will update. So I'll update the course every Friday. So every Friday afternoon, like night, it should be there. Please check and do just assignments and the practice. And please watch the lectures. So first of all, let me go over on the portal and show you what I mean. So, sorry. So this is the email that I have sent. I'm just, I wanted to just keep it there just in case you haven't seen that. And we have a couple of things in here, like announcements. So this is the place that I put my announcements, just to keep the area clean, just to keep the top page clean. Please check the announcements. Like, let's say anything I have to say, I post there. And of course, I send you emails, but please check this and make sure you are updated. About an instructor, if you just want to know about me, just click there. That would be nice. Has a picture of me and some information and my email address. About emails, I have a few policies about emails I have in here. I'm going to come back and explain things, but let me just first go over on the course syllabus. Okay, so I think I have to share it again. Okay, give me a sec. All right. Okay. Almost done. All right. So please check and see what's going on. I just want to let you know about, just want to show you a few things in here. First of all, the textbook. This is a textbook I use for this course. So I'm using the this version, which is from 2015. But if you can find this exact version, anything that is any other version that any other older versions still work. Maybe you can just use those. Please check it out, and I think you can find all the topics, but you may need to search for keywords to find the exact pages. So here, assignments. So this is the grading parts. Assignments are 40%. We're going to have a case analysis that covers, they're going to be 30%. So this case analysis is going to be your midterm. So when you don't have any midterm, but instead, I'm asking you to do a case analysis. So that would be a little project, if you like, and that covers your midterm part. So 30%, and final exam going to be 30%. So how many assignments you have? I think you're going to have at least 4, but not sure. Let's see what happens. But for sure, you're going to have like every 2 weeks, 1 assignment. All right. So like I said, please check it out. And if you have any questions, ask me later. But that's enough for now. So let's get into the portal one more time. And I want to just make a few things clear. So first of all, this course is management science. That's the code BADM222. And this number 1 in here, let me explain these things. So T1 represents term 1. 21 is 2021. And this 01 means section 1 of this course. So we sometimes we have a few sections for the courses. Like I have right now Comp 101, and I have 3 sections of that. So section 1, this, if you have, of course, I think you have other courses. This number 1 tells a lot. Actually explains the day and the time of the course. So by just sending that to your instructor, you just making that clear. So about emails. So first of all, if you're looking for my emails, for email address, it's right over there. And you can use this email address in this built-in email system in here. You can send it that, send your emails right in here using this. That's okay. But I prefer if you use your personal email service, and send me that over there, but send to this address right over here. So I like that one more because that works much better. So if you use this one in here, sometimes, all the times, not sometimes, I can't see your email address. I see your name. I can't see the address of yours, the email address. And the system sometimes just fails, not working very well. Sometimes I reply to emails and it's not going reply. It just shows me an error. So not working very well. But if you use your Gmail address, that would be perfect. So I for sure can't see everything and I can reply to that. So use this email address in here. One more thing. I have a format for subject lines. So for sure, you're going to use the subject lines. You're not going to leave it, right? So, but I have a format. So here's a format that you need to follow. The format should be starting from course name. So BADM222. Your student, underline your student ID. You don't have any section. I just have this section of the course. There's no other. So You don't need to add this 01, but for the courses, I like you to use it. So it would be better if you use it. So your student ID, BADM222, your student ID, underline your issue, the subject that you're going to use. Just put it there. So please follow this. And this is an example. So there you go. BADM 222, underline. This is my fake student ID. So I'm just using that for the purpose of example. Please don't follow that. Don't use it. This is a fake one. Okay. And underline assignment 1. It's a little funny because always I see that in my emails. I don't know why. Sorry. Please don't copy that. Use yours. So you see this red note in here? I would not reply to your emails if you're not using that. I won't say I don't reply, but for sure, what I can tell, I'm not going to reply as soon as possible because, you know, if you don't use that, always I have to ask you, okay, first of all, who are you? What's your student ID? Because we have duplications. We have same names on the list. So your student ID is really necessary. And which course, which day, right? Which time? I don't know which one I have to look. So just saying that, hey, professor, I need help in assignment 1. I don't know how to help you. So please use that. Don't send me emails about these topics in here. So one of the problems I have always is that I have like tons of emails. So what we can do is, instead of sending emails about like grades, assignments, midterm, quiz, final, or problem with grades, or you're not satisfied with your grade, or you think it's not fair, or you need help, you need like a little help in assignments. It never work, actually, never work. So I encourage you, because I always do that, but it never work. I encourage you to ask for office hours, right? Instead, you can just mention your problem, but ask for office hours, because I would be much, much better, much, much more efficient if I can see you and I can explain to you. So it works in office hours, and we can meet each other and talk to each other. And I can show you that would be much, much more efficient and better. So ask for office hours. We can discuss on these issues. And the other two, these are just duplications. For office hours, just ask, you need to book an appointment. I may set a time for office hours. I think it would be good. So let me think about it. I'll update you about office hours. Maybe I set a time at weekends, Sunday, Saturday, any time for office hours. So it would be better for us to communicate. But I'll let you know. General questions. So don't send me emails if you have a general question. So what to do instead? If you have a general question, simple question, something other than those that I have I have explained, something that has a quick reply and it's general, it could be a question for everybody, please post that question in questions forum. So do we have any question forum? I'm not sure. Let me double check. Should be under week 0. So here's, general, sorry. So I'm going to make it week 0 to have the same title. Questions forum. We don't have any right now, and I'm going to make it. Okay. There you go. And it's there. So post your question in here, and I'll reply to that. I replied to that question, and then everybody else can see that. So sometimes I have like 20, 30 questions the same, and I have to answer the same thing to everybody. So it would be nice, and it would be much, much better if we can just share the question and this answer to everybody else. So post that question here. Policies. So the course is asynchronous, and you're required to do your assignments on time. That would be, you need to just check the deadline. If you have any questions about the deadline, like I said, don't send me emails. Just, you can post the question in general questions and I reply to that. So, but I'll let you know in video lectures. I'll let you know about the deadlines just in case I forgot. You can just do that. Yeah. So every assignments and projects should be submitted in portal for approval. I'll show you later what you can do. And yeah, just check this up and send me, or let's say, post your questions if you have in here.